Hi guys and welcome back to another video of the Funway Coding channel. My name is Shadi Kilkar and today we'll be learning about Python basics. So we'll be continuing about our knowledge from functions in Python. So before we learned about how to define a function, now we'll be learning about how to pass parameters through a function. Suppose you want to say you want to do a calculation. So you say a variable, so number one plus number two, but you don't know what the number could be. It could be an input. So we'll pass that in and work it out and then do the calculation. We use arguments and parameters. So what we will do is that we define the function and given a text parameter argument and then print text, and then in my function the parameter which is this one will be given in hello. So whatever this is will be equal to hello. So whatever this is, so what it's doing is that we're connecting this to this, and this is being given to this function. So I'll explain that in more deep while doing some live coding. We go into Replit, which is our main.com. We'll be doing some Replit for a while, and then we will then change to PyCharm, which is what I mainly use for using Python. So function to create. So what I want to do is create a calculator-ish app, not like full, no, a calculator program, but not full one. So we'll say num1 is equal to input. Here we are. Let's say what is your first number, and I'm going to say this for number 2. Then at the beginning say, make it look good, say welcome. So we'll print this, print welcome to calculator later. Here we go. So now what's gonna happen is that we're printing this, and what's your first number? I'll say 4. Second number, say 5. Okay. Now what I want to do is print these two together. So I'm going to create a function. We'll say def addition class there, and we do want to. I want to pass in a parameter num1 and num2, or instead we will still the same. I'll say num1 and num2. Now I'm gonna create. So I'm gonna do total is equal to num1 plus num2. Okay, whatever. Let's say print this total value. Here we go. Now I'm gonna say at the end, I'm gonna say print. I'm gonna say with addition. And after passing the parameters, let's say num1, num2. So what will happen is that this number, so this whatever number we are saying here, number 1, will be connected to this here, this slot. Now this slot, which could be something like, let's say if I do this again, say 8, 9, let's get 17. Oh yeah. I mean, what I'm doing right now is actually adding them together. This is different. What I'm doing here, my mistake, should have been to add them, not like should add them together. What I'm doing here is a string called concatenation. My mistake there. So I should have done just 1 minute. What we needed to do before was to basically since before we were like, this was a string and this number one was containing a string. So what we did before was to like, let me just here we are. What we did was to add two strings together, and by doing this we actually string concatenation, which is like saying this cat plus dog will give us cat dog, like that. So you got 89 before. So if I do run this again, we get, say, hello, hello, not, that's it, hello. So now to change this, we would need to do 8. So changing this whole value to an integer. And by doing so, we will be getting this number as a real number. So we say 9 plus 8, which is equal to 17. Say, let's say 200 plus 100 could be 300. We also give it really complicated values as well. Like say 9999, whatever, plus this number could give us this number. It's perfect. So here we've learned about how to pass in a parameter. So create a function with parameters and arguments. So here it is asking us for the number 1 and number 2 argument, which we've passed in as the parameters. So these are the parameters and these are the arguments that we've passed in. So this is it for today, and I hope that you've learned a hell lot of more of functions in Python. So it's bye for now. I hopefully you like this video and you hit the subscribe button. Bye.